Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bluedriver OBD2 Scan Tool app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer: this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bluedriver is a professional-grade OBD2 scan tool app designed for car owners, mechanics, and automotive enthusiasts. It allows users to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, access enhanced vehicle-specific diagnostics, monitor real-time engine data, and generate detailed repair reports. The app supports direct connection with the Bluedriver adapter, providing an intuitive interface for vehicle health monitoring and maintenance tracking. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Bluedriver's easy-to-use interface and comprehensive diagnostic capabilities. The app can quickly provide detailed insights into engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems, while generating repair reports that are useful for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. Its compatibility with a wide range of vehicles makes it a versatile choice for ongoing vehicle monitoring. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional connectivity issues with certain car models or Bluetooth adapters. Advanced diagnostics for less common vehicles may be limited, and the full feature set requires pairing with the official Bluedriver hardware. In summary, the Bluedriver app may be worth using if you want a reliable, professional OBD2 scanning solution to monitor and maintain your vehicle efficiently. However, if you need a fully free solution or have non-compatible vehicles, it might not meet all your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.